Hey folks, how we doing today? So quick video in celebration of the MR2 passing its MOT again with no advisories. So if you're a UK MR2 owner, you know how marvellous that is. We're just going to talk about adjusting these catches. So the catches are the same whether it's the hard top or the soft top hood. So let's just release the catch and have a look at it here. So this is the main catch. Now it's a very simple process. Let's just I'm just doing this on my phone for you here because it's quite a tight spot to get into. So this here is the adjuster, and you only need to turn this very small incremental amounts. So release the catch, and then there's a plastic section here which you'll see here, which you just push down and that comes out the way, and then that enables you to turn that. Now when I say you only need to turn it a little amount, we're talking literally amounts like that, and that will be just enough. Now when you're adjusting these catches, what you're not trying to do is crush the front of the soft top or the hard top into the frame of the car. It's basically just to cinch it down enough so it just meets the rubber seals nicely, and you just get it just cinches up. So let's just push that back there. Now that is one thing to remember when you have adjusted it, make sure you push that back because it is plastic and you don't want to smash that off, as it were. So there is this has been adjusted up, and there is just a tiny amount. You'll just feel it snug down ever so lightly, and that's what you need. Now on the front of the soft top, I've seen people adjust this up to the point where it's crushing it into the front of the frame. Now you need it enough obviously so you've got water seal, but if it's literally you can't physically clamp that any harder, then you're not going to be able to adjust that you know, for a better water seal necessarily with this. What you're going to have to do is actually have a look at your seals, and there's some products that you can get to recondition the rubber seals to hopefully give you a better water seal. So as I say, now I've marked mine there to show where it is. So as I say, when I say small turns, we're talking literally just that. Put the plastic catch back up and then try that. And it's just a little bit of trial and error like that. So push the plastic retainer down, and I'll just adjust that back for me. There we go. We're talking sort of turns like that at a time. Put it back up, and there we go. So I hope that's helpful for everybody. Leave me a comment in the description if you've had any problems with these, or if you're having issues with your seals, getting a good seal around your hard top or soft top. And or hopefully someone in the community, if they know more than I do, and there's many people out there who do know more than me, can hopefully help you solve your problem. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.